What's hood, everybody on YouTube, man? Just got back in the crib from work. Man, it was a hot ass day today, real. It was hot, but it was like humid though. But it wasn't that bad. But just got that confirmation email. Package has been delivered. 2 packages been delivered today. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today, then I'm gonna do an unboxing tomorrow. And let me go ahead hop in this car, show y'all what I just got. I already know what it is, but about to go ahead and let y'all see this review from PM to the man.
Yeah, remember I ain't had nothing. I was wearing money stunt. Hella clothes missing buttons. Niggas cross me out for nothing. Now they see a nigga stunting. Now they see I'm getting money. Now everybody loading nuts. Hands out on son. Cause a young nigga ran it up there. I made it look so easy. Young nigga made a fuck, yeah, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga ran it up there and I made it look so easy. Made it look so easy, yeah. Made it look so easy. Cause a young nigga ran it up there and I made it look so easy. Young nigga made a fuck, yeah, and I made it look so easy. Young nigga ran it up there and I made it look so easy. Made it look so easy, yeah. Made it look so easy. Had to get it out the
Yes. Just got in the crib, man, from picking up this package. And I would say this package, but I have 3 packages in hand. And if y'all watch it's dark back there. And if y'all watch my Sneaker Con Day 1 video, y'all know what 3 shoes I picked up that day. All 3 of them got dropped off today. Let's go ahead and go to the shoe room so I can show y'all what I just picked up, man. What's hood, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Drizzy, potato, tomato, and yes, I do go by PM Kicks. And before I get into this unboxing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang. Make sure y'all comment down below after the video. Now, as y'all can see from a little bit earlier, I have not 1, not 2, but I have 3 boxes. And honestly, I know what this one is, so I'm really not going to do this one first. This might be the last box I do, because I know exactly what that one is. But I'm just going to, I don't know which one is which. I have either, I'm just going to let y'all find out. Y'all should already know if y'all watched the day 1 video, but I'm going to choose to do this one first. Just on random pick. I don't know what's what. There you go. Thought I lost the knife. And we're going to get straight into this unboxing. I don't know which one this is. I know which one this is. The luck of the draw. Dang. This is the one I really wanted to get into. That's crazy. You already know what it is by the box. Receipt, flash that through from Nike. Y'all seen that tape. Y'all know what it is. Air Jordan 4 Retro, University Blue, Black. Size 9. Price point on this was $225. Y'all know that. Oh, hold up. Flight box. We're going to put that over here on the side. That wrapping paper. Ooh. These, but, and it's crazy. I already seen these because Chicago Emporium had them. If y'all seen my Chicago Emporium vlog that I did there, I had already seen these a while ago, like way before they came out. But these are my personal pairs, so it's just even better. Bow. Travis Scott, Cactus Jacks. Give y'all that full 360 view all the way around. Bring it up to that milky bottom. The cotton / wax lacing. Alright, man. And of course, y'all have that hang tag also in that suede. Jump in on there. We're going to get into this review. So right off the bat, you have that buttery suede that I still can't believe is not butter suede. Oh, quality control. Man, I got a scratch on it. And I just pulled this out the box. Oh no, that's glue. That's still bad though. That's terrible. But the suede on here. But the suede is buttery though. Even with that little quality control error going on right there. This suede is still buttery. As you go up, of course the netting, the all black netting right there. I just pulled the tab out. The all black netting with that blue mesh behind it. The cotton / wax lacing going on all the way into the tongue, where you have that buttery suede in the stitched in flight with the Jumpman symbol right there. With those backstroke motions on the tongue though. You go over to the other side of the shoe, of course you have the netting with the blue mesh behind it. The lace holders with the blue speckles, the splatter paint, going on right there with the lace holders. Of course, you have that buttery suede going all the way across. And this is like an off blue on the mud guard for the suede. In the midsole, you have that white milk, that all white midsole. Damn, I can't even talk. The inside, those AirPods, see the red AirPods in the middle. Go around to the Cactus jack on the back of the shoe with the splattered paint going on the back as well. And on the opposite shoe, of course, you have the Jumpman on one side. You have the Cactus jack on the other. And these are a real dope pickup. I swear I cannot believe I even hit. I was almost 100% sure I was going to strike out on these shoes. But I'm like, forget it. Got to keep trying. And I actually got a friend of mine's a pair. Shout out to Rob. I told him keep trying, man. You's going to get it. It's a lot of bots they fighting off. He kept trying. He got his pair. Hey, Rob, man. Comment down below, man. I know you got your pair. They should have shipped to you. And, of course, you got that. What is this, like a... I don't know, but it's not like the flat Jumpman that you get with the regular 4s. Of course, got the Cactus jack on the other side. These are dope. And I don't see why people is jumping the gun and selling their shoes like that. I guess them little kids are selling. Like, if you're going to sell these, you might as well wait till all the pairs wash up, because they're going to be going for some money in the future. I'm telling you. The milky outsole. Even the outsole is different. Like, they usually don't come with this little shiny, glossy look to the Jordan 4s. It's usually like a dry outsole. And on the inside of the shoes, gotta take these out. Both of them. On the inside of this one, you have that Jumpman sign in the inside. And on the inside of the opposite shoe, you have Cactus Jack with the Air Jordan sign. And when you have the Jumpman right there, you have Travis Scott on the inside of that one. With, of course, you have the splattered paint on the inside of both of them, which is a real dope touch to the shoe, in my opinion. And these is just a real clean shoe. Like, comment down some W's if you hit, or if you didn't hit, comment down some L's. You know, hey, I took plenty of L's, man. Don't even, you know, it's another shoe coming out next week, so don't even trip on this L. Or you can go on StockX or hit somebody up that got the shoe that's selling them. They going for like you probably can get a pair for like $430, $450 back right now. So if you really want them, pay that money, get the shoe. But, you know, other than that, you got a W, comment your W. If you got an L, comment your L. You know, it is what it is. You know, just got to strive on, man. Another shoe coming next week. actually in like a couple days. I know them last shots. I know they 14s, but that's an iconic shoe. Don't sleep on it. These are my Travis Scott 4s. And I just noticed that the Air Jordan sign on the inside of this is white and the Travis Scott sign is blue. Man, it's some real low-key dope hints to this shoe. Like, for real, for real. These my pickups for SneakerCon day 1. I spent like $1,000 that day. A little bit over $1,000, honestly. Y'all already know them Travis Scott things, man. Don't forget, subscribe to join the Playmaker gang. And we out this jam, man.